Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. We have a special little one in our life that has just lately been enjoying doing puzzles. And so what is great about this Melissa and Doug chunky wooden puzzle set is how nice it is to work with. So the pieces are really thick. They're made out of wood, but they're painted. They're really thick, easy to handle. But it's also kind of like a little match game because the picture is painted on the wood board and it's also painted on the puzzle piece. So they have to match it up, but at the same time it's a puzzle because they have to get it in exactly right for it to fit. It's really cute because it comes with a lot of different vehicles. Hers is the favorite, is the airplane. So it's not necessarily just for boys. It can be for any kids that enjoy trains or fire trucks or any of these types of vehicles. So if you have been looking for a puzzle set that's going to be durable, it's going to hold up a long time, I definitely recommend this one. She's really liked using it and enjoyed it, and that is just my point of view.